Time for some Monday birthdays here in the 4 states, and we're going to begin with Gio Barcelona celebrating birthday number 5. Happy birthday.
And we got Gavin Scales turning 7 in Girard, Kansas.
And Ridley celebrating birthday number 8 in Neosho Falls, Kansas.
Zoe Powell turns 10 in Girard, Kansas. Love from Mom and Dad.
And Conlon Epler celebrating birthday number 10 as well over in Columbus. Happy birthday, Conlon.
Tessa Leach is turning 13 in Chanute, Kansas, but here's the thing, she also shares her birthday with her mom. That's pretty cool.
That is very cool. We've also got Ava and Cannon Loffmiller in Pittsburgh celebrating birthday number 15 with love from Mom, Grandma, and Grandpa.
And we have Hunter Earl turning 16 in Jasper, Missouri.
Troy Johnson over in Dennis, Kansas celebrating birthday number 19.
And the mom of Tessa, who's also celebrating her 37th birthday in Chanute, Kansas, Sarah Brunner. She also shares her birthday with her daughter, Tessa.
And we've got Curtis Nita celebrating a birthday in Miami. Happy birthday, Curtis.
Alice Adams turning 55 in Moran, Kansas.
And Tanya Zwalen celebrating birthday number 62 in Oswego. It says happy birthday to Nini.
Keith and Marie Romick celebrating their 45th anniversary in Columbus, Kansas.
And Mike and Debbie Gullett celebrating their 45th anniversary as well. Happy anniversary.
Don and Rudy Babcock, 71st anniversary in Parsons, Kansas. Happy anniversary from your kids.
And Tom and Deanna Loffmiller celebrating their 52nd anniversary in Pittsburgh. Happy anniversary.
Dell and Carly Finnemaker is celebrating their 58th anniversary in Jasper, Missouri.
And we've also got Garrick Alford celebrating birthday number 47 in Baxter Springs.
And Terry Payne celebrating in Arcata, Kansas.
And we're very excited to always celebrate these birthdays with all of you fine folks. Amber, where do they need to send these birthdays so they can celebrate with us?
You can send the birthdays to birthdays, plural, at komnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website checking out all the neat things it has to offer, make sure you check out the KOAM Birthday Club. You get special deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So just head over to komnewsnow.com and sign up for that birthday club today.